What's going on, everybody? Know it's been a while. Finally cleaned up the old Ford, but I got something new to show y'all right here. It's the new door handles I put on. They're carbon fiber. They're real easy to put on. That's the front ones, passenger side right there. And then if we swing around over here, there's the driver back door right there. Oh, and then we will come around here, and there's the driver door. They're all four on. Again, it's just a small little video to kind of show y'all the carbon fiber additive. I think it looks real good all over the place. The air vents, stuff like that. All right, adios.